Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel today. My name is Chigozie David. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, See This Crochet Wears. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful bikini bottom. This beautiful G-string bikini. You can make it in different colors, in different sizes, for yourself, for your friend, for anybody. Depend on what you want. Today's tutorial, I'm going to make it in red color. This is yaya yarn. You can use any yarn of your choice. You can make it in your own way. Okay, without wasting your time, let's dive into the video. So we just get our yarn and we start making our slip knots. Make a slip knot. Just this way. We make our foundation chain. Make 36 chains. 36 chains. That will be okay for this tutorial. Yeah, our chain is ready. You can see it's the same size with this one. So now let's start making. You have to skip the first chain. Skip the first chain, and from the second chain you start making a single double crochet. Make a single double crochet, a total of 35 double crochets. You yarn over, you insert your hook, you yarn over, you put through 3, you yarn over, you put through 2, you yarn over, you put through 1. Continue making this until you make 35 single double crochets. From here, you're just going to continue to the end, and I will meet you. I'm at the end, just the last double crochet. Just chain 1, turn your work. Start from the first space with another row of double crochets. From here, continue to the end, and I will meet you again. Okay guys, our second row is ready. As for this point, we're just going to turn your work, and we are going to start making decreases. Just skip the first space, skip the first space here, and from the second space you start making your double crochets. you make your double crochet to the end. Always decrease from here. Always decrease from here. I've shown you how to decrease. When you get to the other end, you just skip one. Skip the first space. From the second one, you start making your work. And I will meet you. You can see it's already having that V shape. It's already having that V shape. From here you can see it's already having that V shape. Just continue doing that, and I will meet you. I've done couples of rows and I'm back. This is what I come up with. I'm just left with 4 double crochets, just 4 double crochets, which you can see here, just 4 double crochets. And as from this point, we are not going to make any decreases or increases, so we are just going to continue this way with just 4 double crochets. From here, we are not going to decrease anymore or increase. You're just going to chain 1, you turn your work, and as from the first space, you're just going to continue with your 4 with double crochets. You insert. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 as the last. You chain your work, you turn, you just continue with just 4 double crochets, and I will meet you. I made 10 rows without increase, 10 rows of 4 double crochet without increase, and from the 11th row I'll start making increases. You just chain 1, you turn your work, and from the very first space you make 2 double crochets, 1, 2 double crochets in one space, and for the rest you make single double crochets. This is the last one. You make another 2 double crochets, 2 double crochets in one space, you turn your work. From the first space you make another 2 double crochets, So from the third row, you are going to make without increase. You just continue with 2 row with increase, 2 row without increase, 2 row with increase, 2 row without increase, until you make your perfect choice. Here I am. Look at what I've come up with. You can see how beautiful and amazing it's looking. Our bikini is almost ready. You can use it on Valentine. You can use it as a gift. You can wear it. You can use it to bake. Whatever. You can see how beautiful it's looking. At this point, we are just going to make the tying ropes. Just make another slip knot this way. You can join it from this side. Right now, we are just going to make the tying rope. You can make it whichever form you want. You can make it as a chain. You can make any design. So guys, our bikini is ready. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notification when I post a video like this. Please support me, subscribe to my channel. I'm begging you. Please share my video, like my video, drop your comment. Please subscribe to my channel. I would like to see you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.